Okay, I'm going to talk about weighted mean. So here's an example. You had 4 tests, and there's your scores, and then you had your final exam, which you got 51 on. So this would be that when you're in classes and stuff, that everything is not equally weighted, so you cannot find your average in the same way. So if you were to find the average, we knew that we would add it all up and then divide by 5, right? Which comes out to an 80% average. But here, it says that each test is worth 10% of your final grade, and then your final exam is worth 60% of your final grade. So you can see that this exam has a lot to do with your final grade. It's 60%. So this is worth over half of your grade. So I know, in thinking of that, that the average you're going to have is going to be lower than 80 because you got 51% on your exam. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take each test score and times it by 10%. And we're going to add them all up. Okay, so that's how you weight. Each of those were 10%. And then your final exam, which was weighted at 60%, so you're going to times that by 0.6. Okay? And once you add those all up, then you can see that your average is 65.4 instead of just doing all of them equally weighted, where your average would have been 80%.